What is the current development trend of craft beer? The overall sales of beer in my country is not good, while the sales of craft beer are gradually increasing because of its rich variety, rich taste, and high nutritional value, bringing a certain crisis to industrial beer. Consumer demand is increasing day by day, and a variety of flavors are emerging in an endless stream. According to incomplete statistics, many companies across the country have poured into the craft brewing industry, spread the road of craft beer along the brand form, break the niche circle, and increase the popularity, moving towards a personalized, high-quality consumer trend. In order to meet the personalized needs of the new generation, the packaging of beer also plays an important role, although more focus on taste, quality, and price. But creative packaging and brand marketing are more attractive to consumers' aesthetic tastes, as craft brewers realize sustainable branding by recycling water and carbon dioxide from fermentation, reduce the use of the natural environment, and emphasize its own sustainable spirit. Craft beer culture around the world creates novelty, want to have a long-term position in the market development. Trends must be followed and adjusted accordingly to ensure lasting growth.